What's up, guys? Back again with another cooking video. Right now in Missouri, we got freezing rain outside, so we thought that we make some Mexican brown rice. But we do a video to show you how we do it. So it's a real easy old family recipe, so stick around and I'll show you how we do it. Alright, so here's all the ingredients that we're going to be using for the Mexican rice. So we got 2 cups of rice. We have the Knorr chicken flavored bouillon, extra virgin olive oil, Sazon Goya, and we got I chopped up some tomatoes, cilantro, corn, and we got 4 cups of water. Now, can you explain the rule of when you're making rice and how much water you put?
Okay, so when you're making rice, if you do 2 cups of rice, that means you need to double the water. So that would be 4 cups of rice. If you do just one cup of rice, it'll be just 2 cups of rice. So you just have to double it.
Alright, so we got this pan heated up. First thing, we're going to add some oil. Alright. Crank it down a little bit. So we're just going to oil this pan up because the first thing going in here after the oil is the rice. So this is how, and we're going to put the rice in here, and we're just going to brown the rice. Alright, so here it goes. So all we're doing is browning the rice over a medium heat, right? And you want to be real careful because this rice will burn real quick, right? So, and you'll tell when it's browned up, all right?
Okay, so the rice is almost done. It's already starting to get brown. So the rule was, for every 1 cup of rice, you need 2 cups of water. So right here, like we said, we had 2 cups of rice, so that's going to be 4 cups of water that we need to slowly start adding.
Alright, so take a look at this rice. This rice is pretty much browned up. Next thing is going to water. Alright, so when you pour this in there, you want to watch out because the steam's going to come up a little bit. Alright. Now we got our water and the rice. Now what's next?
The seasonings.
Okay, so I just added the corn and tomatoes. Right, we're not going to put that yet, not the cilantro. Now we're going to get this top, put the top over it, over a medium heat, and we're just going to let it simmer and cook itself. And we'll be back probably about 10 minutes, and we'll check up on it. Okay, this is about, I want to say maybe about 10 minutes later, maybe not even that. Alright, so we're just going to get the cilantro, put it all over. Right. And you want to keep it on low now. And if I pull, see how I pull that back, you want to make sure it's not too high to where the bottom is burning. Alright, so looks pretty good. Alright, so there's the cilantro, kick it around a little bit. And now we're just flipping the rice from the bottom up. Alright, and if you peel it back a little bit, you don't want the bottom to burn, so just keep it on low. Alright, so we're just flipping it. We want that bottom rice to come on top, and that top rice to go back at the bottom. Alright, so now that rice is looking good. Okay, so we're going to keep it on low, put this lid back on, okay, just let it keep cooking. Alright, so I just came back. Let me check up on this rice. Alright, so here's a spoon.
Taste test. Tell us about to give it a taste test.
It's about to give it a taste test. Alright, it's done. So now, this rice is done. It's not crunchy. It's not hard. We're gonna turn it off, right? And this pot is, it's still warm enough or hot enough to keep cooking if anything else is hard enough. All right, but that's it. That's how we make brown rice. So if you like this video, if you think it was pretty good, give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe. Other than that, I'll see y'all later.
Hey.